Among the 16 eminent founders, 3 engineers of Sri S. Ramaswamy, retired superintending engineer, Mysuru PWD, Sri D.V. Narsamarao, retired chief engineer, Mysuru State Railways, and Sri T. Ramarao, retired executive engineer of Mysuru PWD, took the lead in establishing NIE, the Temple of Learning. It has completed 70 years of fruitful existence. At present, NIE Society runs the National Institute of Engineering, established in 1946, the National Institute of Engineering Evening College, established in 1974, NIE IT College, established in 1984, NIE First Grade College, established 1994, NIE Institute of Technology, established 2008. NIE General Body elects 10 members of the Board of Management, which manage the developmental activities of the society and NIE group of institutions. These 10 elected members will nominate a president, vice president, honorary secretary, and honorary treasurer. The other 6 members will remain as directors. The term of the committee is 5 years. Principal and CEO of NIE will also be on the board of management. I am happy to mention here that at present, 9 out of 10 elected board members are NIE and alumni. Most of them are from mechanical engineering. I am the only one who is not an alumnus. Also, I am very glad to say that Mr. D.A. Prasanna, who is chief guest of today's function and alumnus of NIE, is a special invitee on the board. The other members of NIE Society are Mr. Srinath Bhatni, President, 1975 batch. Mr. N. Ramanuja, Vice President, 1962 batch, mechanical engineer, both of them. T.K. Chittaranjan, Electronics and Communication Engineer, 1973 batch. Mr. H.N. Ramtirtha, Civil Engineering, 1963 batch. Mr. N.R. Narayanamurthy, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, 67 batch. Mr. R.S. Rajkumar, Mechanical Engineering, 1987 batch. Mr. S.L. Ramchandra, Mechanical Engineering, 1972 batch. Mr. G.S. Ramchandra, Mechanical Engineering, 1971 batch. Mr. Shiv Gopal Velluri, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, 1967 batch. Special invitees are Mr. Raj Gopal Kadambi, Mechanical Engineer, 1967 batch, and of course D.A. Prasanna, Mechanical Engineering, 67 batch. Principal and CEO, Dr. G.L. Shekhar, 1983 batch, Mechanical Engineering. The alumni-led institution believes in continuous of improvement in delivery of technical education. NIE is prompting excellence in education through highly qualified faculty members and modern infrastructure. We started another engineering institution, NIE Institute of Technology, in 2008, which situated in Kurgalli, spread over sprawling 25 acres plot. It offers the following 5 UG programs: Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, Information Science Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and Mechanical Engineering. The no-compromise attitude of management has resulted in best-in-class infrastructure, well-equipped labs, workshops, library, and hostel facilities. We have a highly qualified, experienced, and motivated faculty. They aim not just to meet the standards set by the statutory authorities, but also to provide the best possible training facilities to the students. It is with great pleasure that I welcome our freshers and parents. I wish them an enriching and cherishable journey in this institution. Thank you, one and all.
Now, I call upon C.K. Vanamala ma'am to introduce the NIMC members.
Here is a very brief introduction of our esteemed management committee members. To start with, we have Mr. Srinath Bhatni, batch of 1975 Mechanical Engineering, who is leading NIE as president. He is the co-founder of Axelar Ventures. He served as board member of Infosys. Mr. N. Ramanuja, batch of 1962 Mechanical Engineering, as vice president. He is the former CMD of HMT, a leading PSU. He is a recipient of National Award of Senegal during 2001 and prestigious Kannada Rajyotsava Award 2011. He is closely associated with National Board of Accreditation, AICTE, and India Trade Promotion Organizations. He is presently the chairman, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Karnataka, present President, Advisory Council of MP Birla Institute of Management. Next, we have S.K. Lakshmi Narayana, Honorary Secretary, who is an industrialist and golfer. He is the CEO of ReadyPrint, the city's first computer-based printing industry. He is associated with several music organizations in the city. He served as president of the Jayachamrajendra Odiyar Golf Club, Mysuru. Mr. T.K. Chittaranjan, batch of 1973, Electronics and Communication Engineering as honorary treasurer. He is an industrialist, presently doing business of industrial fabrication and also running an ancillary unit at BEML, Mysuru. Honorary Secretary of Rotary, Mysuru. Executive Committee member of Shankara Samiti, Sringeri Met, Mysuru. Mr. H.N. Ramatirtha, batch of 1963 Civil Engineering. He is an industrialist and a spiritual leader. He served in military engineering services in USA. He is a former member of Senate, University of Mysuru, past district governor of Lions Club International, past chairman, Institute of Engineers, Mysuru, president, Chamber of Commerce and Industry, past president of NIE Management Committee. Next, we have the legendary and world-renowned Mr. N.R. Narayan Murthy, batch of 1967, Electrical and Electronics Engineering in absentia. In 1981, Murthy founded Infosys, a global software consulting company headquartered in Bangalore. He has been awarded Padma Vibhushan by the Government of India. He is also a trustee of the Infosys Science Foundation. Mr. R.S. Rajkumar, batch of 1987 Mechanical Engineering. He served for 22 years at Bosch Limited in various roles and capacities and was the Vice President of Bosch Limited. At present, he is serving as head of Bosch India Foundation. Mr. G.S. Ramachandra, batch of 1971 Mechanical Engineering. He is the retired Deputy General Manager of BHEL. He also served as Messrs. Technocrafts Bangalore, Gridline Engineers Nagpur. He is associated with various social and cultural bodies. Mr. S.L. Ramachandra, batch of 1972 Mechanical Engineering. He is an industrialist. He served as Honorary Secretary, NIE Managing Committee. He served as past President of Rotary, Mysuru, and All India Agarbatti Manufacturers Association. Mr. Shivagopal Valluri, batch of 1961 Electrical Engineering in absentia. He retired as the head of Material Division of ISRO, has great technical and management expertise. Shivagopal is the grandnephew of D.V. Narasimha Rao, one of the 3 founders of NIE. Special invitee on board, Mr. Rajgopal Kadambi, batch of 1967, Mechanical Engineering. He represented India in basketball in various national and international tournaments, including the 6th Asian Games, 1970. Engineer at Indian Telephone Industries, Bangalore, and General Manager at Danfoss India, New Delhi. We have Mr. D.A. Prasanna, batch of 1967, Mechanical Engineering. He is today's chief guest. Finally, our beloved principal and visionary leader, Dr. G.L. Shekhar, batch of 1983 Mechanical Engineering. He is the principal and CEO of NIE from the past 5 years. He served as special officer at the e-learning center of VTU. He is campaigning the satellite and web-based education in India. His book, EDISAT, Indian and Satellite in Education, is the first of its kind in the country, written from user perspective. He is guiding 4 PhD students. Thank you.
One of the main reasons NIE is recognized is for its autonomous system. To share with you the autonomous system followed at our college, we call upon Dr. G.S. Suresh, Dean, Academic Affairs.
Good evening, dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and my dear students. To the parents, we assure that our institute is a ragging-free campus and it is very disciplined environment. At the same time, we also believe in student-friendly environment. So I request all the students and parents to contact any one of us for any of your problem. You need not hesitate in meeting us. We also have dress code which is published in our website, and also we are very particular that each student has to enter the campus with ID card which will be issued to you very shortly. So without ID card, you are not allowed even inside the campus, nor to the class. Morning, the departments might have told you that you require to register for the course. It is not like in pre-university wherein you assume that all the subjects offered in the college are being taken by the students. We are following outcome-based education where there is a lot of flexibility to the students to choose the courses. So every student has to register, particularly first semester students, from second, that is from tomorrow to fourth. If you don't register before fourth, you may need to give the penalty. So be careful, go back to your department tomorrow whenever you are free after the classes, and in the respective computers you register. After this, every semester end, you will have pre-registration for the consecutive semesters. So please take care that you have to register for the course. If you feel that many of the subjects are heavy for you, you need to drop one or two courses. You have got all the flexibility, you can leisurely do it. The autonomy has helped us in providing flexibility to you. In-house framing of syllabus and evaluation, freedom to learn what you want is the flexibility what we offer through the autonomy. We have published already academic calendar. Each semester is having approximately about 16 to 17 weeks of duration, during which you will have 3 tests. The more detail about evaluation, my colleague Dr. T.N. Sridhar, COE, will give you the details. We are following the credit-based system. Already morning, HODs have told you this is for the parents. All your wards should have to complete 200 credits exactly before they complete the course of 4 years in this institute. The maximum duration, due to some reasons, if you cannot complete in 4 years, the maximum duration is 8 years. So you need to complete. If you don't complete, you will be given a not fit for technical course. We are very stringent regarding the attendance. So the attendance requirement has already been told to you. Please do not force us to give attendance, particularly parents. Please do not come to my office or to principal office regarding this. We have given clearly in our regulation book what should be the minimum requirement. Please follow that and see that your ward attend the classes regularly. To help the students, we have faculty advisors who will help the student in all academic matters to register for the course and regarding attendance and other requirements. This year, we have also introduced what is called as student mentoring program. The third year students will mentor the student because we thought that it will be better the students guide the students. So we have introduced this from this year onwards. The third year students of that particular department will mentor the first year students. This will be announced very shortly. You will be attached to your seniors, and this will be taken care by all the senior students. To take care of your health, we have our health center at Golden Jubilee Complex, which works between 10 to 1. The details are available in the cellar of the Golden Jubilee Lecture Theatre Complex, which is situated next to this venue. Students, today you must have received curriculum and regulation book. Parents, you can also go through it. The regulation is very important. This book contains statutory declaration, question paper pattern, academic regulation, list of all the courses you have to study in your 8 semesters, suggested plan of study, total credits to be earned by the student, scheme of teaching, and concise syllabus is given for all the subjects you are going to study in next 8 semesters. This will guide you how you have to plan your academic career at NIE. We regularly upgrade our faculty members for the state-of-the-art technology and also through students' feedback. Recently, we had World Bank aid called as Technical Education Quality Improvement Program, through which our faculty members have gained a lot of knowledge and they have published a lot of papers. And through this, our students will be benefited because of this benefit what we are giving to the staff members. Apart from academics, we encourage the talents of the students in sports and extracurricular activities. I wish all the freshers who have joined this great institution a fruitful 4 years of stay in this campus. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for briefing us about the autonomous system.
Examination is a factor which makes us serious, and for some of us, it gets us worried. So, to brief us about the examination system followed in our college, we call upon Controller of Examination, Dr. T.N. Sridhar, sir.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, my dear first-year students and parents, I am Dr. T.N. Sridhar, professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, shouldering the responsibility of Controller of Examination. NIE was given the status of Autonomous Institute during the year 2007, means the NIE Mysuru was designated as an autonomous college by the Visvesvaraya Technological University, VTU, Belgavi, as per the VTU Autonomous College Statutes 2006. That is, the final degree certificate is confirmed by VTU. Presently, the 6th autonomous batch is passing out. The evaluation of academic performance of a student is done as per the letter grading system as S, A, B, C, D, and F, and also we are following the absolute grading system. A 10-point cumulative grade point average, known as CGPA, is adopted, which denotes the level of academic performance. We have the continuous evaluation pattern, which is conducted in 2 parts. First part is continuous internal evaluation called CAE, and second part is semester-end examination, SEE. Both has a 50% weightage. For CAE, the course instructor will announce the pattern of evaluation, which may include tests, quiz, assignments, or presentations. Usually, 3 tests are conducted, that is test 1, test 2, and test 3. The total of the best 2 performances are considered as CAE, wherein a minimum of 25 marks has to be scored out of 50 marks, that is 50%. To be eligible to write SEE, the student should have scored 50% in CAE and should have an attendance 85%. Otherwise, he will be given what is known as W grade, and he should repeat, or he or she should repeat the course when it is offered again in any subsequent semesters. SE will be conducted at the end of the semester, in which the student has to get a minimum of 40%. Hence, to clear a course, a student should get 45 marks for 100. If a student files in SEE, he can clear that course during makeup term, which will be held at the end of every even semester, in which mute will be conducted, that is the makeup term examination. If a student fails in mute, he has to again register for that course when it is offered in the ensuing academic year. An important unique feature we are following in our institute is paper seeing process. That is, a student can see the SEE answer scripts and get clarification on his performance with the course instructor, and it can be sorted out, and then final results will be announced. If a student is not convinced with valuation, he or she can apply for grievance valuation, so that the system what we are following is entirely transparent and is flexible, and it is student friendly, so that genuine cases will always be addressed. The grade cards will be issued after every semester, indicating the grades earned by the students and SGPA and CGPA obtained. Regarding vertical mobility, that is, a student can carry a maximum of 4 courses in first year to move to the second year and so on. We hereby ensure the parents, especially parents, that any grievances of the students will be genuinely addressed by the concerned departments and the office of COE. We certainly don't expect the parents to accompany children for any such cases. For further details, the student should go through the academic regulations meticulously. I wish all the first year students a pleasant and successful stay at NIE. Thank you very much. Thank you.